Dadaatv. Learn personal pronouns. Hello, friends. Welcome to Dadaatv. Today, we're going to learn all about pronouns. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is the pronoun I. Can you say I? Great. I is used when we talk about ourselves. For example, I am happy. I am happy. This is the pronoun you. Can you say you? Awesome. You is used when we talk to someone else. For example, you are my friend. You are my friend. Here is the pronoun he. Can you say he? Fantastic. He is used for boys or men. For example, he is a student. He is a student. This is the pronoun she. Can you say she? Excellent. She is used for girls or women. For example, she is my friend. She is my friend. Here is the pronoun it. Can you say it? Great. It is used for things or animals. For example, it is a cat. It is a cat. This is the pronoun we. Can you say we? Wonderful. We is used when we talk about a group we are part of. For example, we are students. We are students. Here is the pronoun they. Can you say they? Awesome. They is used for a group of people or things. For example, they are playing. They are playing. What did we learn? I, you, we, he, she, it, they. Great job, kids. You did amazing. Thanks for learning pronouns with us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. See you next time on Dadaatv. Bye bye.